Best way to receive money from family members. Are you looking for the best ways to get paid or receive money from family members? Well, this week I'm sharing some practical and easy to use options to make receiving money simple, stress-free, and even faster than you thought possible. Stick around till the end because I'll reveal why Cash App is the ultimate choice for getting paid with no hassle. Also, if you haven't signed up for Cash App yet, you can use my link down below and we'll each get $5. Let's have a look with Cash, the classic option. Starting with the oldest and simplest way to receive money, good old cash. In today's digital world, cash may seem outdated, but it remains one of the most reliable and straightforward methods, especially when family members are nearby or the transfer is urgent. There's no waiting period, no apps to set up, and no fees to worry about. It's as simple as handing over bills or coins. Cash has a certain timeless charm and practicality, and for many families, it's the go-to option for gifting money during birthdays, holidays, or other special occasions. It's also perfect for small everyday transactions like splitting a restaurant bill, covering groceries, or maybe repaying a loan. Unlike digital payments, cash doesn't require any technology, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of their familiarity with smartphones or apps. However, cash does have its limitations. It's not practical for long-distance transactions, which makes it kind of unsuitable for family members who live far away. Additionally, there's the ever-present risk of cash being lost, stolen, or misplaced, which can make it less secure than digital alternatives, obviously. For families who live close to one another, cash works well for quick and informal exchanges. Just be sure to keep a record of any large sums exchanged to avoid confusion later. While it may not be as modern or convenient as digital payment options, cash still holds its place as a simple, dependable, and universally understood way to receive money. However, for long distance or frequent transactions, you might want to consider the convenience of digital payment methods as your primary choice. So let's have a look at Zelle, which is fast and direct. Next up is Zelle, one of the fastest and most straightforward options for receiving money from family members. Now, what sets Zelle apart is its seamless integration with most major banking apps, which means you don't even need to download a separate app if your bank supports it. The money is sent directly to your bank account, often within minutes, making Zelle a top choice for quick, hassle-free transactions. Oh, and Zelle is perfect for a variety of scenarios, by the way, whether you're dealing with an emergency or splitting a group expense or getting your monthly allowance from a parent. Zelle's near-instant speed is a major advantage. For personal transfers, Zelle doesn't charge any fees, so you're okay there, which is another reason why it's widely favoured for domestic payments. All you need is an email address or a mobile phone number to connect with the sender or receiver, and you're good to go. However, Zelle does have some limitations to consider. For instance, it's not designed for international transfers, so it's only useful for transactions within the United States. Additionally, both the sender and the receiver must have a bank account with a participating institution, which could be a barrier if your family uses smaller banks or credit unions that don't offer Zelle. Despite these restrictions, though, Zelle remains one of the most efficient options for receiving money domestically. Its speed and ease of use make it particularly appealing for families who already use banking apps regularly. If your family values convenience and you need money in a pinch, Zelle is a fantastic choice that delivers on its promise of fast, direct transfers. Now let's take a look at Venmo, social and convenient. Let's talk about Venmo, a popular choice, especially among younger family members. Venmo combines ease of use with a touch of social networking. So once you've set up your account, your family can send you money in seconds, whether it's for shared subscriptions, groceries, or even a family dinner. One of Venmo's unique features is its transaction feed, where users can leave fun notes or emojis for each payment. While this adds a nice social element, it's important to note that transactions are public by default, so make sure to set them to private if you want your payments to remain discreet. Venmo also makes it easy to transfer funds to your bank account. So if you need instant access, you can opt for an immediate transfer for a small fee or wait 1 to 3 business days for free transfers. However, like Zelle, Venmo isn't suitable for international transfers, and there are some small fees for sending money via credit cards. For family members who value convenience and speed, Venmo is an excellent option. It's especially helpful if you're sharing expenses or just want an easy way to split costs without handling cash. Let's take a look at PayPal, a trusted global platform. Now, when it comes to receiving money from family members, PayPal stands out as one of the most established and widely trusted payment platforms. Its reputation for reliability and global reach makes it an excellent choice, especially if your family members live abroad or need to send you your money across borders. The setup process is simple and user-friendly. All you need to do is create an account, link your bank or credit card, and you're ready to start receiving money. Once your family sends a payment, the funds appear in your PayPal account almost instantly. You then have the flexibility to either leave the money in your PayPal balance for online shopping or transfer it directly to your linked bank account. One of PayPal's most significant advantages is its global accessibility. The platform supports a variety of currencies, making it particularly useful for international transactions. This means family members from different countries can send you money without having to worry about exchange rates or banking compatibility. Security is another strong point for PayPal. The platform offers robust fraud protection, ensuring that your transactions and personal information are safe. However, it's important to be aware of the potential downsides. For instance, PayPal charges fees for certain transactions, such as those involving credit cards or currency conversions, which can add up for larger payments. Additionally, transferring money to your bank can sometimes take a few days, which may not be ideal for urgent needs. Despite these minor drawbacks, PayPal remains a reliable and versatile choice for receiving money, especially if you're dealing with international family members or need added security for your transactions. Its ease of use, trusted reputation, and global reach make it a solid option for families worldwide. Finally, let's talk about Cash App, the best way to receive money from family members, and for good reason. Cash App is not just convenient, it's designed with simplicity, speed, and versatility in mind, making it the ultimate choice for financial transactions. So, whether you're receiving money for bills, gifts, or shared expenses, Cash App stands out from the crowd. Now, Cash App is incredibly user-friendly. Setting up an account takes only a few minutes, and once it's ready, your family can send you money with just a few taps. The interface, by the way, is intuitive and straightforward, making it easy even for less tech-savvy family members to navigate. So there's no complicated instructions or steep learning curves, just a smooth, effortless process. One of Cash App's most appealing features is the lack of hidden fees. For personal transactions, there's no need to worry about extra charges eating into your funds. Whether your family is sending $10 or $1,000, you'll receive the full amount. Additionally, Cash App offers instant transfers for a small fee, but if you're willing to wait 1 to 3 business days, standard transfers are completely free. A standout feature of Cash App is the Cash Card, a customizable debit card linked directly to your Cash App balance. With this card, you can use your Cash Card for purchases anywhere Visa is accepted or withdraw cash from ATMs. This added convenience means you don't even need to transfer the money to your bank account before using it. Cash App goes beyond simple money transfers. The platform allows users to invest in stocks or even Bitcoin, providing an easy way to grow your funds over time. For families, this means that Cash App isn't just a payment tool, it's a gateway to financial opportunities. Whether you're splitting dinner bills, sharing rent, or receiving financial support, Cash App ticks all the boxes. Its ease of use, transparent fee structure, and added features like the Cash Card make it the ultimate option for receiving money from family members. Unlike other platforms, it combines convenience, speed, and security without unnecessary complications. If you haven't tried Cash App yet, now is the perfect time to start. It's more than just an app. It's a smarter way to manage and receive money. Once you've used it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Now let's look at bank transfers, the reliable standard. So let's not forget the tried and true method of bank transfers for receiving money from family members. While this option might not be as flashy as digital apps, it remains a reliable and secure choice, especially for larger amounts of money or recurring payments. Bank transfers are straightforward. All your family needs is your bank account number and routing number to send money directly to your account. Most banks now offer online or mobile banking platforms, making the process quicker and more convenient than ever before. In many cases, the transfer is completed within 1 to 2 business days, depending on the banks involved. Now, one significant advantage of bank transfers is their security. Since the transaction happens directly between financial institutions, there's little risk of fraud or errors. This makes it a popular choice choice for families who prioritize safety and want to avoid third-party services. Additionally, there are usually no fees for transfers between accounts in the same bank, which is a plus if you and your family members use the same institution. However, bank transfers can feel, well, a bit outdated compared to newer app-based payment options. They often lack the immediacy of platforms like Cash App or Zelle, and international transfers can involve higher fees and longer processing times. Additionally, setting up transfers may require more effort, especially for those unfamiliar with online banking. Despite these drawbacks, though, bank transfers remain a dependable option for families who need to send larger amounts of money or prefer the traditional route. For those who value security and don't mind a short wait, bank transfers provide peace of mind and ensure that funds are delivered directly into your account without complications. It's a solid choice for receiving financial support, especially if you're not in a rush. And there you have it. These are the best ways to receive money from family members, from classic cash to modern apps like Zelle, Venmo, PayPal, and Cash App. Make life easier and give Cash App a try today. It's simple, secure, and fee-free. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on making life better. Also, if you haven't signed up for Cash App yet, you can use my link down below and we'll each get $5. See ya. Bye.